guys, and welcome back to Project Z Garage. My name is Ansar, and today we're pulling the motor on the Audi A4. So after we pulled the oil pan, we did see some metal in there, and we decided it just makes sense to pull the motor out and go through it, make sure everything is good, see what exactly caused the problem, and maybe even do a couple upgrades while we're in there. You know, I really love this car, and I really don't want to just get rid of it, so we're going to try to put the work in and get it back to 100%. Right now my brother Al is working on pulling the connections and labeling everything so that when we pull the motor, we know where everything goes when we have to put it back in. I mean, every car is different. We have an upgraded K04R turbo on this from JHM. Also, we have JHM's test pipe, so that's gonna have to get out of here. We're gonna have to unplug that and disconnect that. Kind of going through it and see what has to come out, and then we're gonna try, keyword try. I know the right way of doing it is that we're supposed to take the whole front of the car off and kind of bring it out through the front, but we're gonna see if it's possible to just lift it out straight out the top with the engine hoist that we have. I know it might be a pain, but we figured we might as well see if it's possible or not. If not, we'll end up taking off the front anyway. I mean, there's some stuff I have to fix with the intercooler and positioning, so at some point that front bumper and stuff has to come out. But if we can get this out faster so that we can get the work done, that would be a little bit of time saved on pulling the front off. Guys, we did it. We got the motor out. Check it out. And we were able to do it without taking the front of the car off. It was close, it was tight, maybe an inch or two on each side, but it's now out. We've labeled all the connections, so hopefully we'll be able to put it back together once everything is done. The only thing that gave us a really hard time is this rear coolant flange. We had to actually cut the hose because we couldn't get it off. And I have a new coolant flange, rear coolant flange to replace it. So all this stuff is going to get replaced. While we're here, I might as well replace all the hoses because I don't want to have any leaks once we put this thing back together. Everything's labeled. And we tried to drain as much fluid out of the engine as we could, but it still made a huge mess. Let's see if we get a better look. There's your oil pump. I think we're gonna call it quits for today on this. We got it on the engine stand, which is awesome. We're gonna pack everything up, and I think this is just gonna be part one. We're probably gonna do a bunch of parts as we tear it down and kind of get it down to the bare block so we can see what exactly went wrong with it. All right guys, until next time. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to leave a comment below. Please click the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this, and keep wrenching.